This is the Iron Trader. The pitch just closed here about 7-8 minutes ago. So we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. Now remember, the API report will be out at 4:30 today, and the EIA report tomorrow will be out on Wednesday at 10:30 for crude oil. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity ETF. Thanks for watching. All right. Here we have crude oil, your daily chart. Now, see, this is exactly why we trade the charts, okay? So if you look at this here, now your price channels are still intact, 75.06 on the top, 66.08 on the bottom. But I've always been pointing out here these key levels, okay? So your 8 SMA here, sitting at 70.23, your 21-day sitting at 70.32. Where did the price go? Right into it, and it couldn't get through it, and down she comes. Now, so what you want to watch is you want to watch today's low so far, which is 67.55. If that is lost, then we come over here to this one candle here, which is 67.35, and then we have 67.15, and then your big retest here is 66.80. Now that absolutely needs to hold. If it doesn't hold on a closing basis, then we have here, you got 65.65, we have 65.38, we have 64.36, and then your big retest here is 63.64. Now, so far, the support levels are holding, but, you know, it's not looking too good. There's a lot of red right there. Okay, so on the upside, what you want to do is look at the bottom of yesterday's candle. Okay, that's going to be the resistance. So you're going to look at 68.71. Then you're going to look at today's high, 70.15. And then we're going to go into this 8 SMA here, sitting at 70.23. You're looking at your 21-day, sitting at 33. If you can get above, then we look to the top of this candle here. You're looking at 71.15. We have 72.03, 72.38. This candle here is 72.65. Okay, those are all be your resistance levels, but the key one, if you can close above, is going to be this 50 SMA here at 72.41. Very, very key resistant level. If it can get above, then your next level here is your 100-day at 74.22, and then we have your price channel sitting at 75.06. Now, obviously, if it's above, then we can go 78.04, but you know, we are a long way and there's so much resistance right here. I've been pointing out the downtrend on the 200, the 100, the 50, now the 21 SMA. If that crosses below that 8, it's not going to be good. So what you want to do is watch today's low and then this key 66.80 on a closing basis. All right, let's take a look here on the weekly and the monthly. Okay, here on your monthly chart, if you look at your 50 SMA here, 66.02, still holding. Your 200 SMA, that's sitting at 72.72, still holding up on the resistance. If you can get above, you have your 8 SMA, 75.55. Now, if it closes below that 50 SMA, which is very key support level on a monthly chart, 66.02, then we want to look here to this price channel here. You're looking at 62.43, and then we have this 61.74 over here, and then we have your 100 SMA here sitting at 59.58. Very, very key level. Once that is lost, then we start looking to the bottom of these candles here, which could come all the way down very, very low. Okay, so here on your weekly chart, we want to look here on your key level here, 67.51. Very, very key support level. If lost, then we look to the bottom of the candles, 65.38, 64.36, and then your big retest there at 63.64. If that's lost, we're going to be looking to the left of the chart, 61.74. So always look to the left of the chart because where it's been is where it's eventually going to go again, okay? Especially in crude oil. Now, today was actually a really good day trading. I scalped a little bit of the UCO, and then I got out of that, and I scalped the SCO. And so, yeah, so far a good day trading here. So we got to see what those API numbers are. Let's take a look here at the old natural gas. Okay, on this morning's video, I looked at the natural gas on your 1 hour and on your 4 hour. Okay, so really nothing has really changed. It's just basically a sideways pattern all the way through. Now your key support here is going to be this 2.75. That's lost. Then we looked at the price channel at 2.74, and then you could come all the way down here to the 100, 2.67, and actually 2.51. But so far, the sideways action is holding pretty good. Now, on the upside here, what you want to do is you want to look at this 21 SMA here at 2.76, and then we will have your 8 SMA there sitting at 2.77. You have a retest here at 2.80, and then your breakout would be 2.816. Okay, now on your 4 hour here, pretty much the same thing here. You want to watch your 2.76. If it comes down, watch the 21 day. That'll be support, and then you want to watch the 2.63. Now, last week what we had is you had a real nice double top here, okay? So the high on this was 2.685, and then we had a retest here at 2.696. It could not hold that double top, sold down, and then rallied right into the contract roll. Now, the question is, can it hold this area here, sideways action, and then go higher, or is it going to sell right on back on down here and retest some of these lows? Let's look here now on the daily chart. Okay, here we have a daily chart. Now, basically on the upside, you're trading against yesterday's high, okay, which is basically 2.816. That is the key level. If you can get higher, then we look to the left of your chart here, okay? So then you have 2.839, you have 2.865, and this is the one that you'll be looking at is 3.027. That there would be your big retest. Now, on the downside, keep watching this 8 SMA. This is going to be very key support here at 2.64. You can see how it's holding. You had 4 green days. You had a little bit of a red day here, kind of a sideways inside day action. No big deal. Now, that's the key one you want to watch. Now, if that 8 SMA is lost, then we look over here to the 100 day, okay? So you're looking here at 2.36. You have your 21 day, which is sitting at 2.42, and then your 8 day 50 days sitting at 2.34. Those are all jammed right together, and those will change, if it rallies up or if it rallies down. So this is kind of just watch all them for your key support, but the one to really watch is going to be this 8 SMA, 2.64. That is going to be the tell, okay? All right, let's take a look here now on your weekly chart. All right. Here we have a weekly here of the old natty gas. You can see how it just fell right off from the highs. Now, what we want to do is we always want to do is look at, again, at this 8 SMA here, okay? So you're looking at 2.48, and then right below it here is 2.39. Now, the 8 day crossed above the 21 day. The key is, will it hold? Okay, that is the key. So those are your 2 key support levels, your 2.39 and your 2.48. If that's lost, then you can, we just look to the bottom of these candles here for more support. Okay, now on the upside, see, there's that big price channel right there sitting at 3.027. That is your target. Now, again, if it can go above that, then we want to look here to this 200 day sitting at 3.75. That would be your target price. But right now, you're still right in between the channels, 3.027 and 1.946. So just have to be patient with this here. Now, I did a lot of scalping there today here. So I scalped the Boyle for the long. I scalped the UNG for the long. And then I got out of that and I slipped into KOLD for the short here. So we got to see how this all shakes out here through the end of the week now. Heat is coming in. Texas is basically on fire here with their heat. So maybe we can get a little rally here. But if that is contained, then natural gas could go right back to where she was. All right, thanks for watching. And tomorrow morning, before 8 o'clock, we review crude oil and natural gas.